Selecting the right hook size for your first crochet project can sometimes be very stressful. But in this video, I'll share a simple guide to selecting the right hook size, and at the very end, I will reveal 2 hook sizes that almost guarantee a perfect first project. Please watch up to the end. Hi, it's Jacinta from Cinta Crochet Collection. Welcome to my channel. The first tip on selecting the hook size is by looking at the back of the yarn label. When you look at the back of the label, you'll see a symbol of a hook. And just above it, there is a recommended hook size for that particular yarn. For example, this label has a recommended hook size of 5mm or a US H8. However, this is to note. If the recommended hook size on the yarn label gives you a tight tension, then use a hook size number higher by 0.5mm or 1mm. That means for the label we used in our illustration in the video, we would either use a 5.5mm hook or a 6mm hook. Let's get into our second tip. It may not be necessary to buy all hook sizes when just starting to crochet. So I would highly recommend starting with a 5mm or 5.5mm hook. This hook size works very well with beginner yarn like the medium weight yarn and makes stitches easy to see. Please note that as you learn, you can always adjust to the hook size that works best for you. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment. The link to my playlist is in the description below. See you in my next video where I will be discussing the different hook types. Thank you for watching.